Hello guys! Today we are talking about sentence order and personal pronouns. But what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that substitutes a noun. And what is a noun? A noun is a word that represents a person, a thing, an animal, a place, or even something abstract like love. For example, a house, a dog, or a woman. A noun is always preceded by an article, the, a, or an. Check it out. In the affirmative sentences, the order is always the same. We start with subject, then we have verb, and finally object. Sometimes we don't have an object and have a complement, but that's another class. When we have subjects and objects, we can always replace them by pronouns. But which are the subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are the subject pronouns and they replace the subject of the sentence, the word that comes before the verb. And which are the object pronouns? Very simple. They are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. These pronouns are used to replace, to substitute the objects of the sentence. Well, the object is the word that comes after the verb in this case. Let's see some examples. Mary loves John. If I want to replace Mary by a pronoun, which pronoun will we use? Yes, we will use she. So, no more Mary, add she. She loves John. And if I want to substitute John, John comes after the verb, so John is an object. My sentence will be, Mary loves... You're right, Mary loves him. Check some other examples. I like pizza. If I want to substitute pizza for a pronoun, which pronoun should I use? Of course, it's an object pronoun, so it will be it. I like it. And what about the sentence? She enjoys the day. She is already a pronoun. Enjoys is the verb. And the day can be substituted by an object pronoun, which is it again. Another example. Robert took the box. I can substitute Robert by a subject pronoun and the box by an object pronoun. Robert took the box. He took the box. Robert took the box. Robert took it. Hence, if I substitute both pronouns, my sentence will be he took it. Next, we call our grandparents. We is already a subject pronoun. Our grandparents can be substituted by an object pronoun. Which pronoun do you think it is? Correct. Our grandparents can be replaced by them. In our last example, they bought a house. Again, they is already a pronoun, a subject pronoun. Bought is a verb, and a house is the noun that can be replaced by an object pronoun. One more time, it's the pronoun it, because it's a third person of the singular. Really simple, right guys? This is an overview of the uses of subject and object pronouns when replacing nouns in sentences. I hope you have enjoyed. My name is Amanda Luiza and I was your teacher for today's lesson. Please click on the like button if you have enjoyed this class and follow our channel for more English classes and tips. Bye!